Okay, I'm gonna sit with you on this chair first.
It's gonna...
Guys, we're back. And I'm back with my abs. I don't want to get my makeup on your face.
I really don't care.
But today I'm probably going to test out the look that I'm going to do for her for formal.
We're going for like a... My dress is red. And we're going for this kind of dark lip with a neutral smoky eye.
With a little bit of sparkle, but not too much,
but not
too
like
dark.
Because, you know, Taylor Swift once said, if you gotta do one or the other. You have to do a bold lip and natural eyes, or bold eyes and a natural lip. So we're kind of breaking her rules, but
who cares what Taylor Swift says? We're starting with the Maybelline Master Camo green color correcting pen, because we're just trying to get rid of all the redness. Now we're just blending that all in.
okay, guys, this is the first time I've ever bought foundation in my life.
So we end up getting the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade Porcelain 1110, because she's...
It's 110.
1110. Oops. 110. Oh yeah, this is definitely going to be a match. I can't speak. So I'm using one of my Real Techniques brushes, and then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover. And then I'm just covering anything else that I want to cover on her face, which is not that much. So I'm going with the darkest shade in this palette thing. Yeah, and then sculpting her to the gods. I'm just doing some final blending because this looks really nice right now, but I don't know if on camera it's going to be too harsh, so we're always going to blend. Blending into the hairline. So next I am going to...
I hate this.
Hold your breath, girl. Set her face before I start her eyes. Sorry, I gotta. And I use the L'Oreal Infallible, you know, spray. Everybody knows this one. Sorry. Just after that, I just pat everything in to make sure everything's just set.
It smells like hairspray.
Yeah, it does.
That's weird.
So then I'm gonna do her eyebrows. Just going to brush out her eyebrows just to finish blending everything in and make everything look perfect. Do you have eyebrow gel? I feel like you
Yeah.
So we're just going to use the Ulta eyebrow tint in the shade medium and just set her brows so they can stay in place throughout the whole day. We're going to do eyes yet, and we're going to go with my beautiful Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to go in with this really light transition shade first.
Wait, what colors are we doing?
I don't know. We're doing this or this shimmer. And then we're doing
I think I like that red.
You like red?
Just like a pop, you know
A
what
little
I mean?
bit, yeah.
Like, not like a lot, but
I
like
know.
I definitely would choose that guy.
This one?
No, this one. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just going in. Oh my gosh. This, I just realized your eyes are so much smaller than mine. So we can't use a brush. So I'm just taking this smaller blender brush, and we're just taking this lighter crease color, tapping off excess, and we're going in, peeps. So this brush has nothing on it. I don't know why I did that. So I'm just going to blend the edges out with a really big fluffy brush. Fluffy. You can... I always do my eyeshadow this weird, but with my eyes open, Because like you have to see how it looks, because your eyes are not gonna be closed most of the night. So like
Yeah.
you gotta make sure it looks good when they're open. Yeah. So I'm going to go in with. Actually, I think I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna go in with a mix of this color and this color.
I do a lot, not a lot of
Yeah.
the other color, to be honest with you.
And then I'm gonna place this in her crease. Can you open your eyes actually? Okay, now you can close. Just gotta see where your crease is. I'm going to blend in with this shader brush. So this one and this. Oh, I love wearing my brush. Okay, close your eyes. Actually, open first, maybe? Yeah, not close. So I'm going to, for a little bit of definition, not too much, I'm gonna take this lighter color and put it in the center. So like when she like moves, it'll be like, you know, there's a little highlight in the middle of her eye, you know? Y'all know what I mean.
The colors are on the back of the palette.
Yeah, I never read the names. I just say this color. So now I'm going to take this shader brush and going with the this shade, and I'm using this as a brow highlight or brow bone. Yeah, brow bone. Brow bone. Brow bone. I can't speak properly.
Who do you think you are?
I don't know. Someone fly.
I'm a very picky eater, everyone.
She eats chicken wings, or not chicken nuggets, chicken tenders wherever she goes, if she goes out.
Hot dogs, mac and cheese. Those are some of my classics. Love pizza, just cheese pizza.
So
Honey barbecue wings.
oh,
Bone out, obviously.
she said bone out, obviously. So basic. Aw, you're so beautiful. So now I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner. We're doing liquid. You got this.
Something I don't know. When I wore fake eyelashes for prom, it literally felt like I had little butterflies on my eyes.
Literally, that's what it feels like. Have you seen that thing of that girl like literally like ripping out her eyelashes with the eyelash curler?
Oh yeah.
Come on. By the way, I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise for mascara. I hate this glue, honestly. Honestly, it's like really white and like.
Why is it white? It should be clear.
Yeah, I know, I hate it. But like it works. It works. It does the job. It was the first one I got when I was doing my lashes. Or getting lashes. I just got this one. A noob. Why can't I hold these all of a sudden? Like I was holding eyelashes perfectly fine. It's go time, baby. I like putting lashes on.
Okay, so our camera keeps shutting off. I don't know why. I think it's like oh, are you still here? Like who's recording? Anywho, this is the cutest thing ever. It's literally like a little. They're called lippy sticks, and this is in the shade of candy paint with the wide on top. Sorry, Post Malone, honestly, but this is the color we're going for. I don't know if this will actually look good with my dress because my dress is like a deep red. And then we have this lip liner also from ColourPop.
Shade Mr. Bing. So we're going in. I don't know, like imagine like if like you met for real life, like what would you do? Like I don't even know what I'd be able to do. I'd like literally be sobbing the whole time, like.
I'd probably say something really dumb, like I'd be such in shock, like.
Okay, now it's time for
Highlighter!
this is the Ulta Beauty highlighter kit, by the
And
way.
it's Yellow Diamond.
We're using the shade, yeah, Yellow Diamond. So I'm using this smaller brush and getting her inner quarter with this highlight. Maybelline Master Chrome in this
Subscribe, like, comment, follow Chardelle on Instagram.
Follow Abbey on Instagram, and my Instagram is Chardelle Derogene, and my Twitter is Chardelle_D. And now we're gonna let Abbey see herself. This is the wrong mirror, but
oh my gosh, who is she?
yes. Oh my
God,
so cute.
I look so different. This is what foundation does for you. Oh my god. Honestly, bitch, run.